Hey everybody, good morning. It's Mrs. Elm for your morning message. I wanted to go over your assignments for this week or for today. So, when you go to the second grade website and then you go to weekly lessons, these are the lesson plans. So, here is the read aloud about planets, and that's from Miss Aiken. She read that to you. You can watch that anytime during the week you want. And then here, Tuesday, is your assignment. So what you do is you click on this link, True Fix One. You click on that, and it's a website. Here's your username, and here's your password. We're all going to use the same one. I'm going to tell you a trick. If you don't just click it, if you push the right button, some of your computers might do this. And then if you click Open Link in a new tab, it will be more helpful. Then it'll come up over at the top of your screen. So then, this is what the website's going to look like. You can read this book by yourself, or you can watch the book. They'll read it to you. And it's about Georgia Colony. So let's go back to the lesson. It says, after reading or listening to the book, what nonfiction text structure do you think it is? So if you go all the way down, here are the nonfiction text structures. And if you're not sure what those are, then you can watch the video again from yesterday that Miss Roberts did. So on Monday, she did this reading lesson. You can rewatch that again. Then after reading the book about the colonies, you're going to click and do it another time. So you're going to open the link, and then you're going to watch North America. This is a nonfiction text, a teaching book. You can either read it yourself or you could watch it. And something that I think would be a really, really good idea would be if you wanted to watch it first, that would be fine. But then later today or another day, click the read it and you try to read it by yourself. Remember, rereading, even in nonfiction, is so important. It helps you to learn words better. It helps your fluency, it helps you to sound better, and you're also going to remember more. So if you choose to watch it today, then I would suggest that you go and read it, try to read it by yourself another day or later today. This would be something that you can do during your read to self time on Friday. And then there are some activities if the website won't work for you, then there are some activities here. So the spring is one activity, and I think that one's it for today. If the link won't work, if your internet's not working. For math, you're going to click right here. You're going to watch the lesson. After you watch that video lesson, you're going to click here. And then you're going to so you're going to click here. And then after, you're going to learn about arrays. And then you're going to make some arrays at home with anything you want. Candy, blocks, toys, cereals. And if you don't have the internet, then there's a worksheet called Serial Arrays for you to do. Social studies, you're going to go into your class link with your name and password, your username and password. You're going to find Safari Montage, so here's how you spell it. And then on the top left corner, there's a search bar. You're going to click it and you're going to type in Juliette Gordon Lowe. You learned about her yesterday if you did yesterday's assignment. And you're going to watch the very first video, and it's called Girl Scouts Founded. And you're going to watch the video, and please write down 5 things you learned about Juliette Gordon Lowe. Today, nothing is for grade, so you do not need to turn in anything. If you have a question, we're happy to help. You can email me or Miss Strickland. So anything that's not for a grade, we do not need. So you have a grade on Thursday to turn in for math and for writing, okay? And we don't need this social studies one. If you send it on accident, it's okay. So those are your assignments this week. I hope you guys are really enjoying watching the teachers teach lessons to you. We've really missed teaching lessons to you guys. That's what we love to do. And so we're really happy that we get to record ourselves teaching to you finally and figure that out. So I hope you guys are able to watch them and that you guys are enjoying them. And remember, you can re-watch these lessons. It's not going to hurt you. That would be kind of cool. So you can learn even more. In any book that you're watching online or reading online, reread, re-listen. On the second grade website for this week, there is a document that I made that has a bunch of links for some nonfiction books for you guys, and you can watch those anytime. It's not going to be in the plans for you to listen to those books. So those are for you for any time. Friday is going to be just read to self time. So that might be good if you don't have a lot of nonfiction books at home. Or on the website that we saw today that you're going to use, this website here, it's called Flicks, True Flicks. You can search other nonfiction books here. So remember, even though we're not at school, you should be reading at home. Reading is so important, and you reading the words, not just always listening to the video. So it's so important that you guys are practicing reading so you can become better readers, and not just always listening to the video. So even on Tumble Books, there are a lot of nonfiction books on Tumble Books. And I know it does read it to you, but you could put it on mute so you don't hear it. So rereading, trying to, if you want to listen to the book first and then read it by yourself, that would be a great idea. But please keep reading at home. It's so important to become better readers. Okay, guys, that's all for today. I will see you tomorrow morning for my morning message.